In the heart of Central Europe lies Neusiedler Sea, the largest steppe lake in this region, celebrated for its shallow waters and distinctive landscape. Located on the border of Austria and Hungary, this enchanting lake offers a tapestry of nature and culture. Covering 315 square kilometers with 240 square kilometers on the Austrian side and 75 square kilometers on the Hungarian side, Neusiedler Sea is a vast expanse of beauty. The lake's drainage basin, spanning 1,120 square kilometers, fits into its unique ecology. Occupied since 6000 BC, the towns and villages around the lake served as significant trading centers and cultural meeting points. The rural architecture and cultural importance led to Neusiedler Sea's inscription on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2001. Lake is stretching 36 kilometers from north to south and 6 kilometers to 12 kilometers from east to west. The lake sits at an average elevation of 115.45 meters above the Adriatic Sea. Remarkably, its depth doesn't exceed 1.8 meters. For bird enthusiasts, Neusiedler Sea is a heaven. Reed beds provide sanctuary of an incredible array of bird species, making it a paradise for those who revel in the joy of birdwatching. Over 40 mammal species, including the European ground squirrel and steppe polecat, call this area home. With over 300 recorded bird species, the biodiversity here is truly remarkable. Beyond its ecological significance, Neusiedler Sea offers outdoor recreational activities. From water sports to cycling through vineyards, there's something for everyone. The lake's microclimate has fostered a winemaking tradition, producing unique sweet wines that contribute to the region's cultural richness. Beyond its beautiful scenery, the lake is a living testament to how nature and culture coexist. We appreciate your company on this exploration of the Neusiedler Sea. Thank you and see you in the next video!